What's up, team? Welcome back to Fantastic Chemistry Podcast. My name is Pete. I am your host, and we got another host named Tuski right there. How you guys doing? Hi. We way over halfway done. Right. From now on, you're gonna learn about functional groups and the reactions according to the functional group. Each functional group they have different reactivity and they do different things. Okay, it's like and a good analogy is I'm going to give you a recipe, and then I ask you to cook this, to cook that. And how do you get here? How do you get there? What technique? What equipment you're going to use? Are you going to use a pot? You're going to use a skillet? Are you going to steam, fried? Something like that. All right. I just asked you, all right, to make this dish, and you go make it from what you know. Okay, but this interval in chemistry, so we will learn about different reactions, and at the very end we call synthesis. So I ask you, I want to synthesize this molecule from this. How are you gonna get there? How many steps are there, and what do you have to do? That's like the whole goal that I want you to get there. All right. If this were to be in a real setting in the organic chemistry lab, so same thing. There's a target molecule and then synthesized from a compound. Okay. All right. What we got now? So we're gonna learn about functional groups: alkenes, alkynes, alcohol, and alkane, and the reactivity of this. And we have another chapter that's gonna be for synthesis, only synthesis. So 5 chapters that we have left. Okay. All right. You guys can do this. I'm pretty sure. All right. You guys ready? Let's get started. So this chapter, we're going to talk about reactions of alkenes. You have seen alkenes before, right? But we're going to get into the reaction that only alkenes can do. Okay. All right. Let's talk about alkenes around us real quick. So this guy's also alkene, got a double bond there. So called allicin, which is the compound that's responsible for the smell of garlic. We have geranyl. This compound, so we have alcohol, there's 2 alkenes there. It's a compound found in rose, so we can extract it, put in perfume, right there. All right. Alpha farnesene, I don't know how to say it. There's a compound, it's a diterpene compound. It's found in the wax coated around apples. All right, to keep the apples not dry. Basically, muscular. There's sex pheromone of houseflies. What else? Beta farnesene, another type, but this one is alarming pheromone of what is aphid? What bug is this? That's cute. That's a mom. There's a lot of children. Retinol. That's vitamin A. There's tons of alkene conjugated, right, and alcohol. Right. Limonene, this one is in lemon zest or orange zest that make the smell of orange or lemon. Okay. Cholesterol that you get from all this type of food. Right. And cholesterol is, people say cholesterol is bad for you, but some of you probably know cholesterol is not always that bad, right? We actually use cholesterol to synthesize cholic acid or bile acid, estradiol, that's estrogen, and testosterone. Okay, and you know all these are really important. Okay, and all right. So also the at some point for this chapter, we're gonna talk about saturated fat and trans fat and why it's bad for you. Okay, we'll get there in a little. All right. Let's start with the preparation of alkenes on the next video.